Here we are, guys, for another video with my attempt to change the amplifier in my car, my Volvo V60. That's my my beauty. I think this time will be right. It's kind of rainy outside, but anyway, we don't care about that. We care about audio system that has been sitting in the car just doing nothing, and I think the subwoofer box missed me as much as I missed it. So let's get it on. Right, so I bought this another amplifier online. The Edge EOA, as you can see here. Let's see what's inside. It's a EPX series. Another box inside of this one. Tools here. Very nice. The holding knob. That's good. And finally, there it is. What a beauty, isn't it? Yep. So let's get to work. In the specifications, you're gonna see EDA1500.1, as you can see here, and looking for the power will be 2 ohm, 500 watts, or 4 ohms in 500 watts, or 2 ohms in 1000 watts. And my subs here are 350 each RMS. Right, so let's get it started. Got the coffee going on. Got enough energy. We've got the tools. To adjust these buttons over there, but first I will have to put the ground here, the power and the remote, then to plug in here my subwoofer speakers, and then to test it, to see if it's work or it's not working. And I would want to use the bigger one. I'm not sure really the size of it. It's not written anywhere, so I'll only say exactly the size. But it's quite this big, and so on. Now, be careful. Always leave the plus, the power wire, for the last. I'm gonna put it right now, but that's because I don't have it connected to the battery directly, so it won't be a problem to fit it now. Make sure you tighten up the connection here so you won't have any problems like a fire or anything like that, or short circuit to damage your car in any way. Now let's see what we do about the speakers. Short break. So I'm back. Let's see what we do with these subwoofer speakers. I have to say, as a small reminder, a small disclaimer, that what I do here, I'm doing on my own risk. Well, to be sure, I have to tell you that I'm not gonna burn my car down, but just to tell you that if you do exactly what I'm doing, you have to be careful. You have to do it in your own way, because and at your own risk, as I'm doing here, because I'm not really a professional, more like a DIY guy. So I think I can show you open all this. Pretty much together. Right, now let's see. Yeah. Quite thick. I'm gonna have to speed a bit. Just need to get in that small tight hole there. Come on, you might. So get to the top. But I'm gonna have to do it. Release off. Spin them up, feel. Like half of the pressure size. And everything is left. So this, so I'm gonna show it. Hold it. Just control. See if it goes in here. And then cut off your wire. Yep. That's you done. Now put them together. So like I said, my subwoofers, my subwoofer speakers are 4 ohm each, and I'll put them together to make 2 ohm. Yeah, to put them at 2 ohm, and we have that nice 1000 watts RMS power. Yeah. So that's it. not gonna be left like this. I just wanna test them first. So what I'm take precautions. See, I'm lucky. Or I'll get single stairs. Okay. You would think it would be an easy job, but the fact is, it's not. Now what I did here was set up gain buttons like you see here. This is the gain. I left it at 0 for now. I have to set it properly once I test if the amp works properly and everything. Now the phase always 0, no need to use that. Bass boost 0 as well. You will have enough power from your subwoofers. Subsonic, I left it at 10 Hertz, and low pass filter, I put it somewhere around 60 Hertz. I don't have a testing one of those testing machines, you know, I don't know the name of it. Anyway, like you can see here is from 30 Hertz to 150, so in the middle up there will be 75. So I dialed it down just a bit to be around 60-65 Hertz, because my mid bass from the factory goes from 60 Hertz and above. So that's that. Let's go to the next step. So we have a winner. This amplifier is perfect. Let me show you. Okay, so now you don't really know how happy I am, because that Amplifier Edge 1500 is perfect. It's perfect for what I need. Just installed it, played it, tested it. The car rattles like a snake tail, and I'm very, very, very happy. So definitely recommend Edge if you want to make an upgrade to your audio system in the car. And coffee break. See you in the next video. Ciao.